Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to write serial numbers automatically by using sequence formula. So I'm going to use equals to sequence formula and then write it down the number which you want. I'm going to write 100 and then enter. So 100 numbers are there. So if you want to tweak around with this formula, you can do it. So let's say you can make changes in rows or columns, and this particular two parts are from which number you want to start and what is the difference you want to make between these numbers. So I want to make it for one row and then 10 columns, and then I want to start with the number 10 and I want to have a difference of 5, and then I close the parenthesis and enter. Now you can see it spread like 10 around 10 columns, and we have the difference of 10. So in this way you can play around. So let's say this time I'm making rows as 10 and then column as 1, and then the start number would be 10 and then difference is 5. So if I hit enter, so you can see now we have 10 numbers with starting 10 and then I have a difference of 5. So in this way you can play around with this formula. For example, I have a table over here, so let's write the formula sequence, then I'll write it down 7 because I have 7 fruit names. So see, so in this way, any table, any sheet, if you want to write it down the serial numbers automatically, just write it down equals to sequence and the number which you want and then hit enter. That is it. Thank you so much.